versus her white ass. That's the plan. I'm gonna get these damn wheels done because I haven't started the truck in over a month, so I might give you guys a cold start here. Next 2 freaking videos, these damn things will be painted back on the truck. So a couple little updates. As you can see, the pool is put away. It's actually been put away for over a month now, and you can see the grass is actually starting to grow back a little bit. I just disturbed the dirt and it's starting to grow back. I actually didn't have to plant any seed, which I might do, or I don't know. We're gonna see how it grows and then we'll go from there. But this little girl over here hasn't been started in at least a month since the very first wheel video when I took them off. It hasn't been started since then, so let's hop in here and give her a cold start. All right.
You're so gross.
Necessary when having a baby. This is what I live off of. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And go down below and hit that subscribe button. And make sure your post notifications are on so you don't miss when we upload. So today is a bit of a different upload. Yeah, we're like trying to adjust the light because like when I take my hat off, you can kind of see how bright it is. But I always wear a hat so you can actually see my face versus her white ass. But today is Friday, the day you guys are seeing this video. It's the morning. We are now morning people, whether we like it or not. 9 days ago, little Missy here gave birth to our beautiful little daughter who came out 20 inches long. 6 pounds. No, I say that every time. 8 pounds, 6 ounces. That's I always get it freaking mixed up. But yeah, you want to tell them about your experience, how everything went?
I don't know what's appropriate to say and what's not.
Well, don't give them too much. I'm just saying, like, you know, like as we're sitting here with our baby monitor, keeping an eye on her.
I'm kind of exhausted, so talking is
yeah, definitely. The longest stretch of sleep we've gotten is about 4 hours. She just started cluster feeding, which means, because like before we'd have her on a feeding schedule every 2 hours. We'd have to feed her, and now she's kind of just all over the place. We put her down like for her normal nap, and she'll get up 30 minutes later and she's already hungry again. So definitely an adjustment, learning curve. Trying to figure everything out. We've been writing down all of her feedings, her poops, her pees, everything. You keep track of it because you got to worry about jaundice and all these stuff that I'm even learning about that I didn't know about. All the fathers and mothers out there, you know what I'm talking about.
If they remember.
Yeah, if you remember. But the hospital here was really awesome, great experience. I had a great experience, and I feel like you did too.
I did.
Everything went really smooth. No major complications. You were worried about dying. Yeah, obviously she's still here.
I could have died.
Yeah, you could have, and I was worried about it too, but obviously I'm happy that you're here. But baby girl's healthy. You want to give him the name?
Oh wait, you haven't.
I haven't said anything.
I thought you posted it on Instagram.
No, I never said her name. I don't think I did. They'll see it in like the little clip, because we're gonna probably put some clips in of our experience and just
at the hospital.
At the hospital. That way, also we have the memories too.
It's all like putting me on the spot. We decided to name her Remy, like Remington, Remy Rose.
Pretty awesome name. I always say Remy Rose has 10 toes.
Sings weird dad songs.
Oh yeah, definitely becoming a. Well, I already am a dad, but all the dad jokes and everything are definitely hitting. Alright, so it is currently 6:14. For lunch, I ordered chicken noodle soup, grilled cheese, and a fruit punch drink. They messed up and gave me 2.
You are so cute.
So it is 4:07, getting the final things packed. We just got our paperwork. We were about to sign some paperwork. And we just got all cleaned up for last time. Got your last stuff.
Baby girl is almost 2 days old.
Almost 2 days old. Ready to go home.
We meet her big brother and grandpa.
That cute face, all that hair.
Uh-oh, here we go.
Other than the no sleep, though, it's been a great experience, and
Yeah.
we love her. She's so beautiful and so cute. Her little cry, she reminded me like when she first came out, her little cry.
Sound like a sheep.
Yeah, it was. Oh, it was so adorable. But we just wanted to update you guys with what's going on in our lives. Unfortunately, obviously, no video this week on any truck or anything because
Lack of sleep.
lack of sleep.
Malnutrition.
Yeah, I've been eating like one meal a day. We've been eating out a lot because we have no energy to cook. It's, I mean, constantly between.
No time to cook.
Yeah, no time between the constant feedings and changes. And she's spitting up on, not necessarily spitting up, but when we change her, she likes to pee. She likes to pee on me sometimes. Well, she's actually peed on me, but she likes to pee when I'm changing her. So constant outfit changes, and then also having to keep up on the laundry for that, so that way you have burp rags and clothes. And also cleaning all the, trying to keep the house clean because of our golden retriever, who's sitting right here. And also clean all the balls and everything. It's just a constant revolving process of, you know, it's repeat and repeat. You're just going through doing the same dang thing. It's
tiring.
It's tiring. It's a bit of a struggle, but it's definitely worth it. And once you get past this point, it'll be so nice. But I'm just trying to keep on track, keep uploading every single week. The wheels are gonna get painted tomorrow. The only reason they got put off for so long was one, because the paint didn't get here in time for the video 1 week, and then the week after that I was actually waiting on a sprayer. I was gonna someone said I could borrow, but that ended up just taking too long. Pretty much if you want something done, you gotta do it yourself. So I'm gonna go pick up a sprayer today or tomorrow morning, and we're gonna get these wheels sprayed. The only factor I'm dealing with now is temperature, because
it got really cold.
Yeah, it got really cold really quick. Like right now it is I believe it's 47 degrees, and the high today is 57. So I'm gonna have to either go out and get a heater or something, but I also have to have the garage door open for ventilation. So it's kind of like a losing battle. I don't know how I'm gonna tackle it yet, but I'm gonna try to make it happen. Otherwise, we're gonna do something else. But that's the plan. I'm gonna get these damn wheels done because I haven't started the truck in over a month, so I might give you guys a cold start here. And I also need to get some more photos because I'm lacking on the photos, but also I'm lacking on the time too, so.
Lacking on life. We're just barely making it better.
Yeah, but I'm gonna try to get these dang wheels done tomorrow. So next video, the wheels will be done. If not, it'll be the video after that. I promise you, the next 2 freaking videos, these damn things will be painted back on the truck, and we'll be on to the next thing, which I actually just got here. Trying to think if I'm gonna give you any hints, but no, we'll just, you guys will see that in an upcoming upload. I'm super excited about it. It's an interior thing, so we're gonna be starting on something on the interior. I don't know if I talked about that at all. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you guys already know, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's. Did you want to say anything else? I don't know, I just kind of went off on a little thing there. I just wanted to make sure there's anything else you wanted to say.
I want to go take a nap.
Yeah, we're definitely tired. I'm gonna take over so she can take a nap here in a minute, because we don't unfortunately have any family to help us out. My mom lives in Idaho, and my dad's just one of those people. So yeah.
My mom's one of those people.
Yeah.
And my dad lives way far away.
Yeah, way far away. So unfortunately, we have no help closely.
Close by.
Close by.
We don't have help close by.
Yeah. We have friends, but we're just not ready to
rely on them for anything.
Well, not only that, but we want to take our time, you know, and have our time with her. And
I think this,
especially with the whole Corona thing, that's the biggest thing. Is I had to wear a freaking mask the whole time at the hospital, which sucked. Luckily, she didn't have to, but that's my biggest fear, is just, you know, me catching it and then bringing it home to her and baby. I just don't want Remy, now that I can say her name, I don't want Remy and Kenzie to catch Corona because of me or anything. So I'm trying to be really careful about that. which I hope this whole freaking thing just blows over because it's so hard to order anything like truck part wise, or I mean even getting some stuff for baby, like stuff's just not in stock and it sucks. But yeah, we're just not ready to show her to the world yet, so we're kind of just doing our own thing. And when she goes out, she's in her car seat with one of those cover things, so that way none of the germs or anything like that will get onto her. But anything else you want to say?
I was gonna say the hardest part, I think, is not having support with like daily chores. Like, we don't need anybody to like take care of our child. Like, we've got that and we're fine. It's like the hardest part is, you know, keeping up on laundry, keeping up on dishes and bottles, and keeping, you know, the floors clean, just because our golden sheds all the time. And, you know, we have a cat, so cat box, and
damn cat.
A lot of stuff that I feel like normal families, like when you bring home a baby, they'll come over so you can have that bonding time with your baby, and they'll cook the meals for you. I forgot to say also cooking is a part that's just been really rough right now. They'll cook, they'll clean, they'll take care of your animals so you can have that one-on-one bonding time with your baby. And we just don't have that, so we've been really struggling to find like a normal
Not only that, but just getting time together too.
Yeah,
like
that hasn't been a thing either.
That's the hard part. So honestly, we're thinking about hiring someone to come over to do our dishes, kind of like Little Maid, you know, have them come over to do our dishes, do some laundry, stuff like that, vacuum.
I don't even know how I feel about that. There's people in my house.
I don't know. I've also thought about having someone come over to mow the lawn for me, so I don't have to worry about it. But we're also getting into winter, and it's like not really worth having someone come out to mow the lawn because I could literally get done so quickly.
Wait, you still mow the lawn in the winter?
No, not. It's not gonna grow in the winter. I'm saying I probably have like 2 more cuts before.
It doesn't grow in the winter?
Well, it like stuns it, like it barely grows.
I have
Plus,
no
do
idea.
you don't remember last year my dad's house? No grass grew at all.
But you still mowed?
No, I didn't mow during the winter.
Really?
Yeah.
Where was I?
Do you mow during the winter? Cause I don't.
That's funny.
Yeah, it saves time. But anyways, other than that, life's great. And we're not complaining either. It's an adjustment to get used to because we have so much stuff to take care of without any help. But we definitely might hire someone to help us. I don't know, actually, about someone in our house. That kind of creeps me out too. I just got done putting up security cameras too, so that way when I go back to work, I feel safe with Kenzie and Remy at home.
That's cute.
Sorry for the long talk video, but I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update about what's going on in our lives, and also I guess it's better than not putting anything out, in my opinion. That way you guys know what's going on, and you guys know why I'm not working on the wheels or why I'm not working on the truck, blah 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 blah. But lots of good content coming at you. The wheels, like I said, some awesome stuff. I already have some parts here for, and the other parts will be here on Tuesday of next week. And then also Josh's hood stack's gonna be coming up here soon, so make sure to stay tuned for that and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss that video. And also we got some 5th gen content coming at you too. So lots of stuff in the pipeline and lined up. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you're new here, go down below, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next upload.
Must be nice to be a dude and wake up looking the same. Why is it?
It's just like this shadow. Using like it's too much light for you. Really don't. Do you mind? Do you mind? Yeah, it's just rough and.